Isang tanong lang, will Jordan Heading be the game changer Converge has been waiting for? The place where we bring you the hottest updates straight from the PBA court. Welcome sa Pinoy Court Icons. Converge FiberXers wasted no time, mga kabasketball, in securing Jordan Heading, isa sa pinakamainit na pangalan sa basketball ngayon. After years of waiting and building his career overseas, Heading is finally here in the PBA, ready to make his mark. Sa wakas, pumirma na siya ng kanyang kauna-unahang PBA contract, 2.4 million pesos yearly. Next year, baka mas malaki pa depende sa negotiations. But wait, sino nga ba si Jordan Heading? Jordan Heading is a Phil-Aussie shooting guard na unang sumikat bilang number 1 pick sa 2020 Special Gilas Draft. Sa Gilas Pilipinas, nagpakita siya ng matinding shooting at leadership sa international tournaments. At kahit na may challenges sa kanyang career, including overseas stints at time away from the PBA, Heading never stopped working on his game. Bago pa siya napunta sa Converge, naglaro si Heading internationally, representing the Philippines in the FIBA Asia Cup and other tournaments. Dito natin nakita kung gaano siya ka-dependable sa 3-point shooting at decision-making. Isa siyang team player pero, at the same time, kaya niyang mag-step up as a clutch performer. And now, he is officially with Converge. Sa signing, kasama niya ang kanyang representative na si Marvin Espirito, team governor Archen Cayabyab, at alternate governor CK Canapi. Talagang all-in ang Converge management sa pagkuhang ito. At kung akala nyo tapos na ang excitement, think again. And here's the twist. Guess who Converge is up against in their first game? Walang iba kundi ang Terra Firma Jeep, ang team na unang pumili kay Heading sa 2020 draft. Wow, diba ang tanong, will this be a revenge game for Jordan? Or will his former team spoil his debut? Malalaman natin yan. Bakit sobrang crucial ang pagpasok ni Jordan Heading sa Converge? Simple lang, they have been looking for a consistent scorer at leader on the court. With Heading's shooting and basketball IQ, he could be the missing piece to elevate the FiberXers this season. Pero tandaan natin, this is still the PBA at walang easy games dito. Will Heading rise to the challenge? That is what makes this story so exciting. Let's not forget, hindi ito simpleng acquisition. Converge gave up a lot para makuha siya, si Aljun Melesio, Keith Zaldivar, at kanilang first-round pick sa season 51 draft. Grabe ang investment, mga kababayan. But will it pay off? Ang sagot, nasa performances ni Heading at ng buong team sa susunod na mga laro. Kung ikaw ay isang Converge fan, this is the moment you have been waiting for. Jordan Heading could bring not just points, but also the leadership and energy the team needs. At para naman sa mga Terra Firma fans, this game is a chance to see if the trade was worth it for both teams. Mga ka-Pinoy Court Icons, ano sa tingin nyo? Will Jordan Heading live up to the hype? Mag-comment na kayo sa baba and share your thoughts. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Marami pa kaming hot PBA updates at analysis na ihahatid sa inyo. Hanggang sa muli, mga kabasketball.